It's my reverse engineering project. This is my Gantt chart, and this is my sketch. As you can tell, I'm an artist, and yeah, it looks exactly like my gun thing. So these are the pictures. Gotta get all the angles, I guess. And yeah. So this is like the trigger. So yeah, the hardest part of this was like measuring all these little curves and stuff at the bottom. And this is like a little piece that's like attached to the trigger. It makes like the spring like go. And the hardest part of this was like the little curve thing at the bottom. Yeah, it's kind of a grind. And this is like, the spring like sits in this thing. It was like really easy to make. It's just a tube. And it's like the body part. So hardest part of the project, 100%. Looks nothing like the gun, but tried. That's like the sliding part on the top. Like that's the cock it. That's the little barrel. These are the parts. These are my sketches of the parts. They're very artistic. Alright, and then, so my decision, I was gonna like make a holster. It was like really bulky and weird. And nice, that's like not school appropriate, so we're gonna stay away from that. And then, so we put a little flashlight on it. Dang, flashlight. Yeah. And that's the gun. And there's a little bubble thing and the part chart.
Where's the flashlight? Is it underneath it or?
Oh, it's not on this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it goes on top on the view.
Is that it?
Yeah.